Hey guys, it's me, Lizzie, and we are on day 2 of my edible perennial series. If you missed my first edible perennial, I just posted it yesterday, so make sure to check it out. So moving on, to be a perennial crop, a plant must be able to survive the winter and produce a sizable crop the year after and the year after that. This next one is a favorite that we grow in our garden, and that is asparagus. Asparagus has a USDA hardiness zone 3 to 8. The asparagus spears are immature shoots that you'll pick in the spring before they have a chance to grow into tall stems and feathery leaves. Asparagus does take 2 to 3 years to begin production, but it will be highly productive for 7 to 8 years before gradually declining. I like to keep it really simple when cooking asparagus. I just drizzle a little olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, roast it at 425 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's edible perennial. It's one of my 7-year-old's favorite herb to harvest. Thanks for watching Little House and Homestead. I'll see you tomorrow.